Right, everyone's here, everyone's ready. Let's go. I'm just waiting for Dermot to put his wellies on. Right, we're about halfway across. Quite a few people here. Found a few crabs. It looks like it's going to be a really low tide, so that's what Sarah's found. Let's have a look.
A dead crab.
We found a dead crab.
It's a beauty. He's coming at me. I need to run away.
You bring up to that was alright. There you go, yeah.
Come on.
Kill me.
No, Riley.
Yours is that.
He doesn't like it. Oh, they're actually quite spiky.
Yeah, yeah.
It's amazing.
Is it? Oh, good. So this is so normally, some people say it's waste time. I'm sorry, some people say it's waste time. Well, the first.
Anyone else want to go?
Yeah, I want to have a go too. It's colour coordinated with the show.
Nearly over to the island. This has probably been the lowest tide for about 7 or 8 years at the minute. It's only about ankle deep, and the tide's still going out.
It's sea tarantula.
We found some brittle lobsters. Look at these.
You're now going to give us more of a kind of complicated, life story about it rather than again.
We're on Lewis Island. It's a nature reserve, so we don't go over there. Right, me and our main sponsor here, we've made it to Lewis Island. We're obviously not going to go up the island because it's a nature reserve, but it's been a fun walk over so far. Found a fair bit, haven't we, Sarah?
Starfish, guppy,
Starfish, guppy,
crabs,
all sorts of stuff.
baby lobsters.
So hopefully we'll see similar on the way back. Beautiful day for it. Thanks for watching. It's our local warden.
Hard to believe we'll go.
Everyone's walking back. Stuff that gets washed up on the beach here. Look at the end of my pole.
To be fair.
Fish.
Oh yes. So we put him back under the rock. He looked like he's already had one claw eaten off him anyway. But I don't really want to pick him up because he looks a bit.
We have got a sea urchin. And back. Some brittle starfish upside down. Lots of, a little one there as well. He's crawling under the rock. There's lots of crabs here as well. Another ragworm. Tons of stuff under this rock.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Yeah. That's what they're interested in a crab for.
Got a lively rock pool here.
Friends.
Join your friends? No, obviously not.
Here we've got some pipefish. Oh, I think we should put those in the water because they look like they should be submerged. So we're going to rescue these ones. Right, we're heading back over now because the tide's coming in. What have we found, folks?
Ooh, starfish.
Sea aliens.
Sea aliens, starfish, fish, crabs,
Lobsters,
baby lobsters, pipefish, anemone, all sorts of stuff.
All sorts.
But we've got to head back now. The others are already that far back. We've been politely shoved on, rightly so. It's time to go home. Well, it's been a lovely walk over today. A lot of people here, a lot of wildlife to see, beautiful weather, quite a low tide. Hopefully this video turns out and we can put all the sea life in it. So thanks for watching, and hope you've enjoyed our Looe Island trip. See you again soon. Beauty.
Just don't show me.
A very Titanic moment. It's a beautiful moment on the Titanic here. Right, we're having a cup of tea now with our main sponsors here. As you can see that the tide's already rocketing in. So half an hour, well, an hour ago we were walking across that. Now it's on the cover. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. Get on, and thanks for watching.